Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check on a recent views on Instagram. All I have to do is to launch my Instagram application. And then for me, the thing is that you did view any of these stories that are here. Let's see if I decided to view the one with Jeep. And then I decided to go back and then reloaded my page again by tapping on the home. And as you can see, you can't find it. But if I want to view the Jeep's story, or I could use to scroll here the stories to the end, and I'm going to see the Jeep stories. And if I want to view it again and come sick, just tap on it and view it again. Another thing is if we add at our day auction, let's say here today. And let's say that like this video and just like scroll down again and like another. And the case directly runs Bentley did my review, and I wanted to know when the ad. All I have to do is to tap on my profile, going to tap on the 3 lines, then tap on activity, then I'm going to tap on the likes, and from there I can see the 2 videos that I had watched. And thank you guys who watched this video. Please do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.